Good morning. It's Wednesday, May 8th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checks clear. We have a little light reflectivity up in the North Georgia mountains, but really no rain to speak of at 9:15 this morning. Partly sunny skies across the state. Most of our cloud cover is in northeast Georgia, but we zoom out and we can see the thunderstorms moving into northern Tennessee. Tornado warning that popped up there just north of Cookeville, Tennessee, just a little bit earlier. So that is what's going to be moving our direction. We're going to be watching that as we move through the day today, and we're going to have our share of severe weather over the next couple of days. We'll talk about that, get it all timed out. Let's take a look at our temperatures right now across the state. Starting out fairly warm with those low 70s in North Georgia, mid 70s in South Georgia, and dew point readings also up there as well. So we have plenty of humidity in the atmosphere that will help get these showers and thunderstorms going and get a few of them strong to severe. So here's our severe weather outlook for today. The shade of green through the middle of the state, that's just a general thunderstorm risk. Our lighter shade of yellow through metro Atlanta over to Athens and Washington, that's a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. And then a level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk, North Metro Atlanta up into the North Georgia mountains. As we zoom out a little bit more, this is one of those things we really want to look at. There's a level 4, that's the red, level 4 out of 5 severe weather risk over Nashville, parts of north middle Tennessee, and out into West Tennessee as well, and up into Kentucky. So we have that, what I call the bullseye effect. We know that the atmosphere is right to get these severe thunderstorms moving. And again, a lot of that's going to be pushing our direction. So we really need to stay aware. If we get somewhat close to a level 4 or a level 5, which is very rare, had a level 5 2 days ago out in Oklahoma, you really need to pay attention to these storms. So we're certainly going to do that. And as we take a look at Friday, still have a level 2 out of 5 risk over most of the state of Georgia, a little piece there in northwest Georgia under that level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. So let's time it out. As we move through the day today, things are going to be pretty quiet. We move through the afternoon hours. There are those little showers popping up in North Georgia, just kind of getting the atmosphere ready to go for the main line moving in, but we're not expecting anything severe early in the day today. A few strong thunderstorms could pop up. Then we head into this evening. This is when we need to stay on alert. So up in Dalton, Whitfield County, Murray County, up toward Gilmer County and Fannin County, look out for a few of these storms to go strong to severe. Actually looking at the structure here on the modeling itself, and they look almost like they have little hooks on them. So we're just going to watch out for that because we do have some decent tornado parameters. Then we head into 9, 10 o'clock tonight, still showing those thunderstorms threatening extreme North Georgia. And then showers popping up pretty much anywhere in the state as we move through the late night hours tonight, but mainly in North Georgia. That's going to be our main focus for some of these storms. Overnight tonight, things are fairly quiet. Again, some showers starting to pop up here and there, and then our main line by daybreak tomorrow morning. So this is 6 a.m. Looks like it's crossing the Tennessee and North Carolina line into North Georgia. This could be running a little quicker than scheduled, so just know that this could be just before daybreak or near daybreak, and then that line continues to push south fairly quickly and kind of fading out, it looks like, mid-morning. But that energy's still there, so we're going to keep an eye on that. And then we watch another blob start coming in from Alabama, heading into West Georgia, over Carrollton, heading toward Noonan, South Metro Atlanta by 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And we do have some decent tornado parameters involved with this system as well. This looks a little bit more disorganized, but just keep in mind, we still could see some strong to severe thunderstorms and some spin-up tornadoes with this as it moves through. So we should be fairly clear in North Georgia by 2 p.m., heading into Macon, down to Columbus as we head toward 2, 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and then continuing to push south fairly quickly. This is not going to stall out. This is going to push through very rapidly. Another sign we could see some strong straight-line winds with this, but stretching from Statesboro over to Tifton to Albany, and then out west toward Blakely as we head toward tomorrow afternoon. This is 5 o'clock, moving into the Savannah Metro and down into Valdosta over toward Brunswick, St. Simons by about 6 o'clock. And then we just scoot that right out of here. On the backside, still going to have some instability in the atmosphere, so look out for a few more scattered showers and thunderstorms late tomorrow night into Friday morning. As I mentioned, a few more strong thunderstorms possible on Friday. So a lot to look out for. Hopefully we gave you some good timing on that. Just get an idea where you are. But for the most part, our severe weather is going to be during the day tomorrow. So early tomorrow morning it starts, and then during the day tomorrow. So that gives us a little better chance of getting those warnings out to you when it happens during the daylight hours. And, of course, those storms can get a little bit stronger with the heat of the day as well. So going to be right here, keeping an eye on it from the Georgia WeatherNet. Let's take a look at your local forecast now from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.